Hello, welcome to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, welcome to the vlog. So this vlog is going to be, I think so, all over the week. I think so 2-3 week का content इसमें चला जाएगा because I don't vlog बहुत ज़्यादा. Like I do go out a lot, but I'm not been vlogging a lot. Okay, so anyways, I am not at my house, at my flat. I've come back to my house, like my parents. I don't stay with my parents, but right now I'm at my parents' place because I'm supposed to shift my flat. तो flat shifting का and नया setup का ये सब का proper video आने वाला है. Do not worry about that. Huh, that's for another video. And as of now, I was shooting over here a little bit, and you guys know what? I'm going to purchase new iPhone. I think so probably 15 Pro, something like that. 15 Pro में it's the devices are heating up too fast and बहुत weird type के issues आ रहे हैं उसमें. But hopefully iPhone 15 I'll get because I film a lot from the phone as well. Like अभी भी मैं फ़ोन से कर रही हूँ, so कभी कभी मुझे फ़ोन से करना पड़ता है. So I need good quality and I'm using iPhone 12 right now, which is बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना. So I thought instead of making just a simple haul video, I'll just put it in the vlog itself क्योंकि I feel like you guys are enjoying my vlogs more, like Pune के vlogs या फिर MG Road shopping वाले vlogs and all of that. Just let me know that down below in the comment section because I'm super curious to understand as to what you guys actually enjoy on this channel. Guys, I finally got her. मतलब हमने इतना सोचा ना कलर के बारे में कि मैंने स्टोर में शूट किया ही नहीं. I'm basically calling it her because I love the color and it's her for me. So this is how it is supposed to be. वैसे तो ओपन करके ऐसे थोड़ा सा एक्टिवेशन किया था, but get this cable जो कि you know C type to C type वाला है, and then obviously these stuff, the sticker and everything. Just look at the color. These stuff from Flipkart, I've ordered them abhi recently. ही top है, jumpsuit है, and there's like a very nice dress sort of a thing. So let me show you what I've got क्योंकि इतने cute pieces हैं. First and very foremost, I have this one dress. Like this is like in a blue color. You can see the sleeves are super cool and this sort of a cut is there. It's a proper polyester sort of material and I mean ऊपर से ये जो material आप देख रहे हो ना, ये है georgette sort of material का, and in the bottom it has a really long length and it looks so pretty every time you walk or you're just doing something and you get that cute सा slit and it just looks very pretty. Like इसके अलावा ना इसका एक green color का option भी है, वो भी बहुत ही प्यारा सा लगेगा. साथ white sneakers मैंने पेयर किए थे and उसके साथ ना मैंने ये sling bag भी डाला था. This is a sling bag that I've ordered from Urbanic actually. It's not very recent but it's mostly, I don't think so मैंने YouTube पे दिखाया है ये, but this bag I get asked about this bag literally every time I post it on Instagram. Next up I have ordered this top and I was not very sure कि कितना अच्छा लगेगा कितना नहीं. And first of all तो ये पैटर्न कुछ इस तरह का है और एकदम sheer टाइप का ये टॉप है और इसके अंदर you can add a spaghetti or if you want to add like a strapless bra or something like that or maybe like a black color का sports bra or something like that. And these are like long sleeves, so obviously winter season आ गया है, so you need a lot of tops that you can layer on top of something. So I can wear this and then उसके ऊपर से I can layer like a trench coat or a jacket or something like that and it will look very smart. So I paired it up with black trousers, so you can get any basic black trousers. I will leave few links for the black trousers in the description box as well if you guys want. And then I've also ordered a jumpsuit. मैंने बहुत time से ना jumpsuit लिया ही नहीं. Dark greyish sort of color, like a ash grey sort of a color, and this is like a short length like this, but it is so comfortable. मतलब comfort level is high. Like I can wear it to a movie night also. मैं 3 घंटे मूवी में बिता सकती हूँ इसको पहन के. ये इतना ज़्यादा comfortable है. And पीछे में आपको यहाँ पे zip मिल जाएगी. It's very easy to wear and take it on and off and everything. And the material is a very good cotton blend sort of material. इसके साथ भी sneakers डाल लो या फिर if you have boots if you have mid-rise. Lastly, I got this kind of earring as well. I wanted something in a pearl design, like a little minimal but a little bit, you know, out there. And talking about the cleanser जो कि मैं आपको बताने वाली थी, actually there are two types of cleansers over here. Both of them are from the 2% niacinamide cleanser range. I personally going to use is 2% niacinamide oily skin cleanser for oily combination and sensitive skin type. Gel based formula which is enriched with 2% niacinamide, cica extract and salicylic acid. So salicylic acid actually helps to target the acne and open pores and the breakouts and all of that, and will help to clean out that area. And talking about the 2% niacinamide gentle skin cleanser for dry, normal and sensitive skin type, it has a creamy based cleanser actually, which has 2% niacinamide, cica extract and ceramide complex. These ceramide complex actually lock in the moisture onto your skin. So both of them are absolutely 100% soap free and fragrance free as well. उसके अलावा I've got this ultra light zinc mineral sunscreen which has zinc oxide and it is absolutely oil free and no white cast whatsoever. It has SPF 50 and PA++ rating. And also अगर आपको नहीं पता है, Derma को along with Bhumi have achieved helping across more than 10,000 students in this year, which is a great initiative. Use my code Rathod 2023 for 20% off. Yeah, that is pretty much it with whatever I had to show you as of now. And अभी I'm going to shoot a little bit, थोड़ा सा festive type का content मुझे shoot करना है, and obviously like नवरात्रि दिवाली वगैरह type का content shoot करना है. This is, I don't know which day, but I'm just randomly vlogging. We are
out for girls coffee date.
अच्छा ठीक है. We are out for a girls sesh at Magdi. Girls in the house. Radhika.
Hashtag coffee gossip.
Savi babe.
Savi babe.
Who's working over here, and her Bhagavati over there. It's got a space. She's always the first one to be in the cafe.
She's teaching.
I
she
thought
lives
today
near
I was late, पता है? I thought legit I
She
was
stays
late.
near Magdi, that's why she came on.
हाँ वो भी है.
But today I thought I was late.
Still you were.
Yeah, still I was early. See,
Now January is not.
I really. This time Janvi is late, okay? I'm going to give the benefit of doubt.
Shut
to her.
up, okay? All time.
I'm not giving her the benefit of doubt. She's always late. Always late.
Who's late today? Look who's late today.
Movie
यार
booking.
सारे काम मेरे को देते
On
हैं
spot
यार,
movie
वो मैं नहीं कर रही.
Guys, last moment we made a plan that we are going for movie right now. अभी just हम आए Magdi, कुछ order भी नहीं किया, and we just made a plan to go and watch movie, which is Thank You for Coming, which is going to be a lot of fun, and it's the best movie to watch with your girlfriends. So let's go. It's going to be a lot of fun. What do you guys want?
मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता था बहन, पर मेरी कहानी हाथी.
सोच लो, बचपन का हूँ, बीवी गुजर चुकी है एक बेटी.
Now let's see who was that boy. This is the salted one. It's not salted.
Yeah, it's salted only. मेरे को सारे salted ही आ रहे हैं.
Cheese है ही नहीं किसी में.
And this is my very comfortable OOTD cute set top and pants. By the way, I have definitely lost a lot of weight. Like this jeans is literally like falling down. It should be like high waisted. It's just like not even in my size anymore.
फोर्थ फ्लोर जाएगी.
Yes, Miss Gracie.
मैं आगे गया हूँ. मैं 7, ये मेरे को 7th फ्लोर लेके गया.
रुक जा. नहीं मैं 7th floor.
So we are supposed to go for Navratri and we are super duper late. We'll reach there by 10 and I think so 10:30 11 तक ही चलेगा सिर्फ. लेट किसकी वजह से हुआ? मोनी बताओ ना जल्दी. राधिका कुछ नहीं किया तुमने कुछ नहीं किया. Oh seriously, who came late?
I came late.
Who came late?
She came from college at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, 8. She knew it, and she's like, तुमने बताया नहीं और टिकट खरीदी इसने नहीं है, पैसे इसने ही दिए. अभी हम सारे थके आ रहे लोग इधर एक रेस्टोरेंट को रातों रात खुलवा के खाना खाने आए हैं. पर हमने कॉल करके उनको बोला भैया रुक जाओ, हमको खाना खाने आना है. तो अभी फ़िलहाल वही चल रहा है.
मेरे तो पैर इतने दर्द कर रहे हैं, क्या बताऊं. इससे ज्यादा मुझे कभी फील नहीं हुआ अपना पर
Guys, day 2 of Navratri. I mean, this is Ashtami, and आज I am properly ready like the Navratri vibe. Otherwise, कल it was not that proper Navratri look. Have a look at all the three.
हाय गाइस
Radhika. We are at Yash Lawns today, which is apparently one of the very famous ones over here. And I hope 10 बजे से ज़्यादा चले क्योंकि अभी तो 8:30 ऑलरेडी हो गए. Guys, we are done. It's already 10 o'clock. Bollywood. We were so unhappy about this. मतलब रोना ही आ गया यार. क्या ही बताऊँ. Yesterday when we went, night was very good. That was authentic. But ये तो, oh my god, don't go to your slums. So we had the most random plan, and we are here at Mahabaleshwar right now. This is the villa that we are in. इसका washroom है. So let me give you a tour of the room and villa. सुबह मैं दे दूँगी क्योंकि अभी रात को इतना समझ में नहीं.
You put me up and break me too. I scream in pain, yelling for you. I'm telling myself I'll be fine, but eventually I'm gonna flatline.
It's very chilled here. मतलब पुणे में इतनी गर्मी थी और अचानक से यहाँ पे इतना ठंडा लग रहा है कि I can't even tell you. So the food order is here. We were playing all the time and swimming pool वगैरह में भी गए. And this is the food right now. I think so दाल तड़का है and जीरा राइस है and then chapati वगैरह everything is there. And this is where you go out. And this is the pool area. अभी बंद कर दिया हमने pool area. We were here only. And then the next day we left to go back to Pune. It was such a nice stay. This is a place in Mahabaleshwar and this place is not open for commercial use yet. This is one of my friends' property. So yeah, it was a nice time and that's pretty much it of this vlog. There is so much more to come. Thanks for watching. Tada, bye bye.